All right, how we do underwater videos from Studio A here in Cozumel. The light is a little better in Studio B. Well, Studio C, way too sunny. And Studio E. So I'm going to make this a whole lot easier how to do underwater videos. This is my setup. The camera and an underwater light. You just have to have an underwater light. A video light is great. I flooded mine 2 days ago, so I put on this one element flashlight. It's crappy. They sell them now with like 15 elements. They're really bright. Regardless, you don't have any color beyond 20 feet unless you take your own flashlight. This one's not too bad, but it's still not bright enough. Camera tray with clips that allow me to hook it to my BC so I don't lose it. Clip it, and then bring it out and then clip it tight when I get on board. This is the camera. It is a Sony X3000. It's a 4K camera. You can shoot in other modes, but 4K is incredible. I have it set so that the on button, record button, when I hold it down, it automatically records. Yeah, there we go. That's the red light. So the red lights tell you when you're shooting. You don't have to turn it on; just it turns itself on. And then when you turn it, so when you turn it off, it turns off, and you know you're not wasting your SD card memory. Underwater case comes with it. It's an easy disconnect and connect. Just have to make sure that you do connect it or else it floods and your camera's toast. You've got to buy a new one. For land, that's the camera, and then I always put a desiccation pad in to keep it from fogging up. So the Sony Handycam 4K, it has a mini display. It doesn't show much. No card, because I took it out. So the card does go in the bottom. There's a case for charging, an opening, and there's another area for the battery. Easy in, easy out. All of these are watertight, so it's pretty good. The little card that goes in the bottom are these tiny mini guys that fit in an adapter. Fit in the adapter, and then the adapter I put into a card reader. Some dongles, some hubs you can go directly into the hub, so it goes in there. And I have a hub that has HDMI and USB-C. It goes in there. It's connected to my other dongles. So that's my card reader goes, all my clips go in. I send them to an external drive. The 4Ks are so memory intense that you're going to fill up your computer. I'm using a MacBook Pro 2017 or something. And all of these cords, so my SD card and my hard drive go into this computer, and I take everything's SD card right to the external drive, load my iMovie stuff on the external drive, process it, and store it all on the external. Pretty soon you're going to fill up your iMac, and that's it. So this is a point and shoot. There is no display to tell you what you're doing, so you have to just kind of get used to it. So the only thing it does is the red light says it's on. There is a zoom, a 3x zoom, and zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. That's it. So this is, you just shoot like this. Stay behind and make sure that you've got whatever you're shooting, and that's it. There's a air mode and an underwater mode. So you do underwater mode, it helps with the color. That's it. So simple.